Hindi na siguro kakailanganin ni Ducloy ng extension dito. One ball, easily potted.
Great pace on that White. Perfect position on the 2.
Remember, the last time naglaro ng doubles itong Manila MSW Mavericks, Anton Raga won 11 racks. And now he's back.
Yung tinatawag natin na magic bonus eh.
Itong Manila MSW Mavericks, since acquiring Anton Raga, have not lost sa 2-on-2. The 2 against Makati won the 2, nauna Parañaque, no? Won their 2 doubles matchups against Parañaque. They're looking for their 5th straight pagdating sa doubles. And Anton Raga.
It's exactly the impact both of these players have sa kanilang koponan. And this is becoming like a practice rack for Ducloy and Anton Raga.
Raga, 9 ball drops. And they're back in business ngayon.